Hey guys, it's Mrs. LC coming to you with a special video today about 5 reasons why you should play the ukulele. Anyone who knows me knows that I have spent my entire life playing pretty much every instrument that exists. And this little itty bitty thing has become my all-time favorite. So I'm going to share with you my top 5 reasons why you should pick up one of these and start playing today. Let's get started with reason number 1. Okay. So cheap is a relative word, right? What's cheap to one person might be really expensive to someone else. And in the wide world of musical instruments, things can get pretty pricey. So let me put it to you like this. What if I were to tell you that for $50 or less, you could get an instrument that would last the rest of your life? You would probably say, Jen, you're crazy. And you would be right. But that's a different story for a different day. Really though, this is the Makala MKS Soprano, which retails for $49.99, and it's just one of many ukuleles that you can purchase for under $50. In fact, I'm going to put a bunch of links in the comments below so that you can see all the different kinds of instruments available to you for under that price point. And they sound fantastic. Need I say more? I don't think so. So let's move on to reason number 2. Once upon a time, we were told that if you don't start playing an instrument when you're 5 or 10, that there's just no hope for you and you might as well not even try because life's gonna get too crazy and you're gonna be too busy and you're never gonna have the opportunity. That is simply not true. In fact, I am part of a Facebook ukulele group where we have everyone from 8 to 80 playing this on a daily basis and incredibly well. In fact, I am more inspired by some of the 70 and 80-year-olds than I am by the child geniuses. So if you think it's too late for you and you think you can't do this and you think you won't have the time, think again, because you can start this instrument at any age. Don't let anyone tell you different. And that brings us to reason number 3. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. Took the midnight train going anywhere. That is just one of hundreds, yes, hundreds, with an S, songs that you can play on the ukulele with 4 chords or less. That's right, 4 chords or less, which you could potentially learn in a week or 2. Already playing hundreds of songs, most of which you can find on the internet for free. Now we all know the saying that all good things take time, and most of the time they do, but it's kind of nice to start on an instrument where you progress very quickly and feel pretty darn good about yourself. And that takes us to reason number 4. All right, where are my singers at? I know you're out there. Well, you done me in your bed, I felt it. You tried to be chill, but just so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Here's the deal. If you like to sing and you want to sing anywhere, whether it's in your bedroom or on a stage, you need some music behind you, right? So what do? We go to YouTube, we find a karaoke track. Maybe we find a friend that knows how to play an instrument. If you learn how to play the ukulele, you become your own accompanist. And that is a very big word, but the ukulele falls into a class of instruments called the accompanying instruments, along with the guitar and the piano and keyboard. Which means that while you are playing, you can also be singing at the same time, and you don't need no stinking karaoke track, and you don't need no accompanist. This makes you completely musically independent. And that takes us to reason number 5. Do you like working out? Me neither. But here's the beautiful thing about playing an instrument. Neuroscientists have actually done studies on the brains of musicians and found that the act of playing a musical instrument forces the left and the right side of the brain to communicate with each other, thus enhancing overall intelligence and brain function in other areas, which means being a musician actually makes you smarter and keeps your brain younger for longer. So should you pick up an instrument and start to play? Kind of a no-brainer. Are you sold yet? You're in the right place. The first thing you want to do is pick up an instrument that best suits your personality and your desires. I will link several of my favorite beginner picks right below in the comments section. Next thing you want to do is subscribe and like this channel. Make sure that you turn on the little bell for notifications. You can get everything else that you need right here at no cost. You'll want to start out with some chord tutorials, and then you'll want to go ahead and look at some songs and start some song tutorials, and eventually you'll get to the place where you can do play-alongs. Playing the ukulele is so much fun and it will bring you so much joy, and I'm here to help facilitate all of that to you for the lowest possible cost, because the most important thing to me is that people have these in their hands and playing them in their homes. Thank you so much for listening. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I will be talking to you very soon.